Derek O'Brien, I want to come to you. The former Prime Minister of the country, Dr. Manmohan Singh, today has written a letter to the Prime Minister where he has listed out 5 solutions. And I think it's great that the former Prime Minister is talking about solutions at a time like this, where the main focus of his letter is decentralization, that states be empowered more to be able to manage vaccines. What's your suggestion?
Firstly, you have to, before you look for solutions, you also have to look for, identify the problem. Please, 2 very important pieces of communication in February of 2021. Number 1, the MEA were patting the Prime Minister of India on the back for vaccine Maitri. Modi was building his brand image internationally and giving out 65 million vaccines, while 52 million vaccines are in India. And my state in West Bengal, or like yesterday what we saw in Maharashtra, we have not got our vaccine. So the first solution is stop doing your brand, oops, my specs are clouding anyway. Stop doing your brand building and your megalomania management and focus on the vaccine. Number 2, Bharatiya Janata Party had again written a resolution in February of 2021. Greatest country in the world, greatest Prime Minister in the world, stop doing that. Stop massaging your own ego and get to the job. That's 2, solution 2. You see, when you screw up, you have to take the responsibility. You all are discussing with all these states and health minister here. No, straight up, Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Modi, 3 priorities in their lives: vaccine, vaccine, vaccine. Who is going to tell this to Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah? Opposition parties, their own colleagues. You heard what his minister in the government asked for a vaccine and he was told to delete his tweet. This is a serious issue. We gave a solution. We gave a solution as a political party. We said you club the 3 phases together into 1 phase. But the umpire said no. So, Mr. Modi, you all ran that clip yesterday. He is celebrating. So many people have come to my rally. Modi and Shah have to set the example. No, that is the first solution. Stop passing the buck. Former Prime Minister wrote, my Chief Minister, let me just finish. Let me finish my news piece, then I'll take your question, ma'am, Miss Sonia Singh. The Chief Minister of Bengal, a few hours ago, has written to the Prime Minister saying that there are no more vaccines left in Bengal. Please supply vaccines to Bengal. Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Derek, I was just going to ask you, but I know it's in the middle of a heated political campaign, and I would agree with you that clubbing phases, elections, festivals can all wait at this time. But just to ask, Rahul Gandhi today said that I won't hold any more public rallies, and I hope that other parties take a cue from this and actually stop holding these huge public rallies. We know the Chief Minister has continued her rally and roadshows, as has the BJP there as well. Also, the point being that the Chief Minister has actually stayed away from the last 2 meetings the Prime Minister has had with different Chief Ministers. So whereas politics is in its place, surely on something like health, like Corona, everyone should all come together on one platform to look for solutions? Will the TMC stop campaigns after Rahul Gandhi said this?
I was waiting for this question, because how this con man known as Narendra Modi, now I'm going to give you 7 dates. 7 dates. You must listen to my 7 days, because he said Chief Minister stayed away from 3 meetings. Right? Who set up a 21-day lockdown with 4 hours notice? Mamata Banerjee and Uddhav Thackeray, right? Who asked you to bang a thali? Mamata Banerjee, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, and the Kerala Chief Minister, right? Number 3, who asked you to light a candle for 9 minutes? Who asked you, who told you in 21 days everything will be well? Who patted himself on the back through the MEA and his own political party saying everything had been done? Modi, who put his photograph on the vaccination certificate? Who? Mamata Banerjee? Uddhav Thackeray, the Kerala Chief Minister? No, Modi. Now you should put your picture on the death certificate. You're asking me questions about why Mamata Banerjee. What is this? Yesterday he had another photo opportunity. He's saying that he came and campaigned in Bengal all day and then at 8 o'clock goes for a photo opportunity. Mamata Banerjee will not encourage Modi, will join Mr. Modi's PR firm for his photo opportunities, also known as meetings. Thus, the blame, who kept parliament open for the Madhya Pradesh government? Who? Who did not take the states into confidence? Who did not take? Only later, when you want to take the credit, pal, then it's you. And when you want to pass the buck, then it's the states. This is not cooperative federalism. This is known as Mosha federalism. The buck stops with Modi and Shah, and stop diverting this from anywhere else. Modi and Shah did not get their act together in parliament in March. They were wasting everyone's time, and now they're passing the buck to Maharashtra.
But what about Rahul Gandhi's appeal to other political parties to stop the campaigns in Bengal?
You see, this is like saying you have an umpire. Listen, the umpire has made the rules. They want to win Bengal desperately. So are you suggesting, Miss Sonia Singh, what are you suggesting?
Nothing,
That only
Mr. Derek O'Brien.
we didn't make the rules.
Nothing, Mr. Bryan.
Miss Sonia Singh, what are you suggesting? No, what are you suggesting to me? You're talking about a political party. I have no comment to make on what Mr. Gandhi did or not did. The Congress and the left alliance in Bengal are in the match for 10 seats. We are fighting 294 seats.
Okay.
You're comparing us. Should we just, let me tell you then what we should do. Let me tell you. We shall all start campaigning. We'll stop campaigning. We'll come, we'll sit down, and we'll allow this Modi and Shah, who head the world's most destructive force, to come and campaign because they're shameless. They're shameless hypocrites. They're thugs.
Sanket, I think.
And you're going to allow the thugs we're going to allow Bengal to become Gujarat. We will not allow Bengal to become Gujarat.
Sure.
Why should we? So we will sit down. Listen, Miss Singh, listen to me. I'm not shouting. Hear me out. Just hear me out. Simple solution. We are a political party. We don't set the rules. It's like telling a batsman, you can only hit on the offside. Hurry, we can't. We've got 6-7 days of campaigning left. We understand this.
Okay, understood.
We told the election commission.
Sure.
But the election commission is in the back pocket of Amit Shah and Modi. I have to ask a very serious question.
I think
where is the third election commissioner?
I think the point.
My
has been
solution
made
for
very, very
COVID.
clearly.
My one-line solution for COVID.
Very quickly,
Mr.
Upadhyay.
Upadhyay. My one-line solution for COVID, it's a very serious issue. What happened in Maharashtra? BJP themselves are handling all those medicines, Remdesivir, all has been done by BJP. The solution is this. Only one simple solution. Modi, Shah, look into the mirror tonight before you go to sleep. You have blood on your hands. Constitution and the people of India come first before your bloody manifesto.
Okay.
We'll have Himanta Biswa Sarma soon on
Yeah,
that. But
maybe
go
we
ahead,
can
Sanket.
ask him these questions, and if Mr. O'Brien agrees, maybe they can ask these questions
Sad,
of
so
one
sad,
another.
You know, sometimes.
Sure.
You know, Mr.
Okay.
Upadhyay and Ms. Singh, you all are looking for solutions. I understand and appreciate that. I have run out of words.
No, but then we
But
still
let's
have to
go
try.
to the other
It is
health
so
ministers.
sad.
We'll
One-
just come back.
one
One
But
still
let's
has
just
to
go the
try
other
to
health
look for
ministers
solutions
now.
because as of
What
this
health
moment,
minister?
While
What
it is
health
equally
minister?
important-
Let's just go to
What
the other
health
health
minister?
ministers who are
Only
waiting, Sanket,
only
while-
NDTV.
Let's just go to the other
No,
health
no,
ministers.
I want to tell you, don't blame the health minister.
We have to ask
Don't
the
blame the health
minister.
minister. Blame Modi and Shah. Why can't they come and take a press conference and give these solutions?
Okay.
Where are my vaccines
Raghu
for
Sharma.
Bengal? Why are you politicizing Maharashtra?